Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Every day is shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day is shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Our hearts laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true,
mas especially po sa papaklanch po natin, galing po kay Sir Jolie with HS sa kanyang pamilya. Kaya ngayon mga kalangga, samahan niyo po kami dito. Yung mga bibigyan natin dito mga kalangga is siyempre yung mga lupang nasalanta talaga. Yung mga bahay dito na nagpo-collapse po, mga nagbibitak-bitak. Kaya sila yung priority po natin bibigyan ngayon mga kalangga. Kaya ito, ano na po tayo mga kalangga, nakapag-ready na po tayo dito sa ating sasakyan. Siyempre dito pa rin yung tarpaulin natin. And ito na yung mga bibigyan natin mga kalangga. Siyempre yung ating relief goods distribution. Ito na, marami tayong mga
holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Just me and you.
That's all for now. Until next time. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.